free, cheap, darn near free, want to get that, but hey lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We've got some Walmart deals with Ibotta to discuss today. All right, now I feel like we've had some better deals, but there still are some deals to be had. So I wanted to share it with you guys because remember, some savings is better than no savings at all right? The first deal we're going to talk about was actually found on the clearance. This is the Paladin Pro Guard and Retainer Foam Cleaner. I don't have a retainer, but it's a foam cleaner and it's safe enough to put on something that you put in your mouth. So I thought, you wonder if you could put it on tennis shoes or some other type of cleaning item you need cleaned. So that's the reason why I got it. And plus it's a cheap rebate. So it was $2.09 on clearance. There is no coupon. I didn't have a coupon physically on me. So check coupon time. Had to pay $2.09 in store. There's $1 coming back from Ibotta, making the final cost $1.09. So I didn't think that was too shabby, guys. The next deal I decided to do, I feel like I had some good any rebates. So I decided to get this Ajax dish soap because I did have a any dish soap rebate. Okay, this was priced 98 cents in my Walmart, no coupon, had to pay the 98 cents, 10 cents coming back from Ibotta, making the final cost 88 cents. Now let me say this, you will notice that I'm going to pop up scan pictures because this is what I'm doing with Walmart. As I've said in prior videos, it seems as though the price on the shelf and the price that it rings up to is two different things. So what I like to do, I like to see what it's priced at on the shelf and then turn around and scan it on the app and see if it's lower. Because if it's lower on the app, you know I'm going to dispute it at the register. I'm just saying. All right, so the next thing I got, and I've gotten this before, there is an any all-purpose cleaner rebate. So I decided to get this great value bathroom cleaner with bleach. I mean, it's got bleach, guys, and look how big it is. It's a whole 32 ounces, all right? So this was priced 98 cents. No coupon, obviously. Paid the 98 cents in store, 10 cents coming back from Ibotta makes it 88 cents. I don't think that's a bad deal. Okay, yes, because you could spray your kitchen counters with that. You can clean your bathroom with it. It's bleach, guys, and I can smell it. So it's some bleach up in there, and the thing ain't even open. Okay, the next rebate, guys, was the Werther's Original Candy. This was priced $2.38. There is a coupon out there in the 4-3 Smart Source insert, I do believe, $1 off of 2. However, I didn't buy a newspaper. I didn't buy a newspaper for 4-3 Sunday, so I don't have the coupon, guys. But if you do, just buy 2, use the coupon, okay, if you want to. But I didn't. I paid the $2.38 in store. I got 75 cents back from Ibotta as the rebate, making the final cost $1.63. So just keep that in mind that there is a coupon out there in case you happen to have it, okay? The next thing I decided to get was the Lysol Wipes. I cannot have enough Lysol wipes. I'm going to buy this product if I run out of my entire stockpile because I like to wipe my countertops off with Lysol wipes. So this was priced $2.97. I did have a 50-cent coupon that I printed off of coupons.com, making the cost in store be $2.47. Now there is a 75 cents Ibotta rebate coming back to you, making the final cost $1.72. So I think that's a good deal. It's Lysol wipes, you know, you got to disinfect. All right, next thing, I was just, you know what? Sometimes with your hauls, you're like, it's not really good deals, but it is good deals because it's things that I use. That's what it's about, guys. I know we want to get free, cheap, darn near free. We want to get that, but it's about what you are actually using, okay? And all this stuff I use. This right here is an example of it. The Glad Cling Seal, all right? Clear food wrap. That's what it is, some food wrap. Now, there's 2 rebates that attach to this because there's an any plastic wrap rebate that was for 10 cents through Ibotta. And then there was also this rebate, the Glad Cling and Seal. This was priced $3.12 in my Walmart. I did not have a coupon, so I had to pay $3.12 in store. The 75 cents Ibotta rebate and the 10 cents any rebate was 85 cents off, making the final cost $2.27, guys. So yeah, that's a good deal. I like to keep plastic wrap and things of that nature. You know, I got to wrap up Rich's peanut butters and jellies. So if I run out of sandwich bags, he might get it wrapped up in some cling wrap. All right, so the next rebate, guys, that I decided to get was the Jell-O pudding cook and serve. All right, I'm gonna leak my banana pudding video. You ain't seen my banana pudding video. I started putting something different in my banana pudding, and it's so delicious. Okay, thing they didn't have instant vanilla in my Walmart, so let me just get the cook and serve. Okay. So it was priced $1.24. I did not have a coupon, so I had to pay $1.24 in store. There is only 10 cents coming back from Ibotta, making the final cost $1.14. I was like, okay, Ibotta, y'all just ain't trying to get a girl no monies on that, none. Okay. The next thing I decided to get was the any toothpaste rebate. So I went to the trial and travel section and got this little baby Colgate for 97 cents. Had to pay that in store. Didn't have a coupon. It's trial and travel, obviously. Okay. 10 cents coming back from my bottom, making the final cost 87 cents. So yeah. Throw that in your travel bag. You know you're going somewhere this summer. Or you could put it in a gift bag and give it to a person that's homeless, you know. All right. So the next thing that I decided to get was my Cool Whip. Yeah. This is going to come in handy because I'm always using Cool Whip. Y'all can see from my prior videos, I done a cake with Cool Whip. I done banana pudding with Cool Whip. Go check it out. All right. This was priced $2.24. I didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $2.24 in store, 50 cents coming back from my Ibotta. Final cost $1.74. So, you know, my husband and I, we like to eat over here. So, you know, we getting the sweets going. And the pudding almost gone, y'all. I made it last week, and it's like a little bit smidge left. And only him and I been eating. All right. So the next rebate I decided to get was my Renew-Its. My little Renew-It scent cones came back. You can always depend on Ibotta to give me some smell good. For 97 cents each for this rebate, you must purchase the 3 for a total of $2.91. Didn't have a coupon, had to pay that in store. $1 coming back from Ibotta for getting the 3 makes the final cost $1.91. Next rebate that I decided to get, guys, was my husband's Mountain Dew. Okay, it's how Ibotta works, guys. They get you to try something, you end up liking it, and then you start buying it. That's the reason why they exist. And it works, okay? So my husband and myself likes this Major Melon Mountain Dew. It's good to me. This is like a watermelon flavor Mountain Dew. My husband don't even drink soda, guys, and he likes this Mountain Dew. And I personally drank 2 myself. I was like, I cannot be drinking these things. And honestly, let me tell you something else I actually tried. The Spark. I like the Spark. I know some of y'all said y'all liked it. Some of y'all said y'all didn't like it, but I actually like the Spark. But I like the Major Melon over the Spark, okay? $5.28 in my store. So I really wasn't feeling that, but I went on and paid it because he likes it, and I'm going to get it for my love bug, okay? So I had to pay $5.28 in store, $1 coming back from my bottom, making the final cost $4.28 for his Mountain Dew, guys. Okay. The next rebate I decided to get these Wet Ones Plus. I keep looking at these things when I go in there because I'm like, it's 70% alcohol. I could put this in my purse and wipe off buggies, so I'm not having to use my spray Bath and Body hand sanitizer that smells so good, so I can just be using this, okay? Yes. And it's not a big old one of these in my pocketbook. Because that's what I be wanting to do. So I can have this, okay? $2.98 No coupon, had to pay the $2.98, but I got $1 back from Ibotta, making the final cost $1.98. I know, but it's 70% alcohol, and it can go in my purse. So that's why I felt it was a good deal, okay? The next rebate I decided to get again was my husband's Listerine. This is priced $5.64. I did not have a coupon. But you know what? I could have sworn there was a website I used to go on and print off coupons for this. I cannot remember. It was Healthy something. Let me know in the comments below if you guys know what I'm talking about, but I can't recall, okay? So $5.64 is what I had to pay in store. There is the $2.50 rebate. It did not reduce. This is my second time getting it, so it's still $2.50 coming back, making the final cost $3.14. Next rebate, guys, is the Fleischmann's yeast. $1.52 for this item. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $1.52 in store. 50 cents coming back from Ibotta, making the final cost $1.02. Let me talk about this for a minute. The price of stuff is just getting so high, guys. I really want a bread maker, okay? I want a bread maker. I was watching Do It on a Dime, and she had a bread maker, and I was like, you know what? It looks so easy. I think I want a bread maker. And my husband says he can teach me how to make biscuits, honey, because I've never made homemade biscuits. Let me know in the comments below if you guys know how to bake bread or if you can make biscuits. I don't. Would you be interested in seeing a video where my husband teaches me how to make biscuits? Because I don't know how to make them. I said, you don't know how to make no biscuits, Richard. He was like, yeah, I do. I know how to make biscuits. I was like, okay. Oh, okay. Next rebate, guys, was the Bic pens. They didn't have no black. What's wrong with this Walmart? All they had was a bunch of these red ones. So I just went on and got them, okay? There's $1.88 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon. Had to pay the $1.88. $1 coming back from Ibotta, I think is good. So 88 cents, not too bad for a rebate. And you know, we got that huge bonus now that got me doing 100 and some rebates. I'm like, good gracious, I will never finish that. That is tripping. Next rebate I decided to get was the Sargento Creamery Baby Swiss cheese. Now, this is normally priced $2.95. It has increased in price in my Walmart to $3.18. There is 300 points coming back when you scan and upload your receipt to Fetch, okay? That's equivalent of 30 cents coming back. So $1 from Ibotta, 30 cents from Fetch makes the final cost $1.88 for the Sargento cheese. The next rebate I decided to do was the Lilies gummy bears. Okay, they're not a very big pack, okay? Now, these were priced $2.78 in my Walmart, $1 coming back from Ibotta. Final cost $1.78 for the little gummy bears. Next rebate I decided to do, and I finally found them because I've been looking for them. The Bake Better with a Butterfinger, the Butterfinger Bites, okay? Now, these were actually priced $2.44 in my Walmart. For this rebate, you must purchase the two. So I had to pay $4.88 when you buy the two. Ibotta is going to give you back $2.24, making the final cost $2.64 for the two bags. Now, be on the lookout for another video. I'm going to make some dessert, okay? And I'm going to use these. I'm going to do it this week, okay? Thing I decided to get was the Doritos 3D. These were priced $3.48 in my Walmart. Now, there is not an Ibotta rebate. However, when you scan your receipt on the Fetch app, they're supposed to give you back 1,500 points. At least that's what I got on mine. And I think that thing is getting ready to expire, so check your app, okay? Now, the $1.50 is what that is the equivalent of, making the final cost $1.98. And I was disappointed, okay, because I didn't realize that this thing said Crunch Chili Cheese Nacho. I just saw the orange and just thought it was the regular ones. I don't like the way they taste at all. My husband can't eat these because I'm not feeling them. Now, for the pudding and the Cool Whip, there was actually a 50 cents bonus that I did accomplish for that, guys. So just wanted to share that with you as well. That's pretty much it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, I did accomplish my weekend bonus, which was $5. I missed the buzzer bonus, which I'm so bummed about. I missed that, and I was 79% completed. I only need to do 5 more rebates, okay? Went and did the 5 rebates, and the darn thing done expired. I'm just like, really, Ibotta? That's the reason why I stopped fooling with y'all last time. And my husband was like, oh boy, here we go. See, that's why I took a sabbatical. I'm not going to take a sabbatical. That's my own fault. I know better. I know to see the expiration of a bonus. So that's my own fault. I can't even be mad at nobody but myself. Okay? But that's it, guys. If this was helpful for you, let me know in the comments below the video. Give me that thumbs up. And if you're not already a member of the Coupon Crew, would you hit the subscribe button, hit that bell for notification so you will be alerted when I come on and do another video. Ain't no telling what I'm going to be talking about. Okay, that's it, guys. Remember, click to save, and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.